Hello everyone, Happy Richard here. Thanks for joining me. It's Monday, February 13th, day before Valentine's Day, and just come out here to check the bees because it's 54, 55 degrees outside, and the bees are out, they're active. They were a lot more active earlier, but take a look here what's going on. All right, so take a look here. They are out and they are bringing in some pollen from somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where, but I hope you can see that. Yep, their back legs are just full of pollen. Come on, girls. So, not only that, but as you know, I don't only do bees, but I also do maple syrup. So we're gonna take a look over here at some of my collection bags on my trees. One up here. Turn this around here again. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Down here, that's from this morning. So there's at least a gallon in there. It is doing really well. Take a look in here. Oh yeah. Sap and pollen in the same day. Okay, so we got sap and we got pollen in the same day. So you know what that means. That means that spring is not too far away. I hope you will like this video by smashing the like button. And if you want to see all my adventures, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. We're gonna be doing a lot of these videos. The bee season is gonna be heating up here soon, so and no pun intended, but so I'm gonna have a lot of different things to share with you in my progress with my beekeeping. I'll go ahead and show you what the apiary looks like here. Coming up here from the back. Hey, yeah, excuse me there, Thomas. Yes, that's Thomas. Yes, of course, they all have names because my wife loves her animals. Oh yeah, you get a little feisty there, buddy. All right, well, yeah, so here we are, 14 hives, 14 colonies. So I think most of them made it through the winter. I probably have 2 or 3 that are going to be dead outs, but I haven't opened them up yet. I'm waiting until it gets warmed up a little bit more, you know, and then I'll go ahead and do that. But yeah, so let's take a look here. You girls still bringing in pollen? I sure hope so. Yeah, looks like this hive's gonna be really healthy. Oh, there we go. One dragging one of the deads out. Dragging one of the dead out. See them there? Yeah, here they come. Look at that. Look at that beautiful yellow pollen. Not sure where they're getting it from, but they found a source somewhere. Well, okay, folks. That's going to do it for now. And as always, thanks for joining. Happy Richard.